want to give your blog a facelift, but you're not sure how to install a WordPress theme? Watch this video for my step-by-step guide. For the best blog tech advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Monday. If you're desperate to give your WordPress blog a makeover, but the thought of adding a new theme fills you with dread, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to install a new WordPress theme. I've done this hundreds of times on my own and client blogs. Now it's your turn. So as you can see, I'm in my WordPress dashboard. To install a new theme, I'm going to go to Appearance and Themes. I'm going to search for a new theme. Up here I'm going to type blog and I'm going to choose this one, Retina blog. So I'm going to click Install and then Activate. So as you can see, I've been brought back to my themes screen and the Retina blog is my active theme. So I'm now going to click on Customize and make some changes. I'm going to add a header image and quickly look for an image. I'm going to choose this one. In an ideal world, I would already have optimized this image before I uploaded it. I'm now going to crop the image to fit my header. And there we go. I'm going to go back, change my colours. I'm going to change my header text colour to blue. And for now, I'm just going to click Publish. And I'm going to go back to my dashboard and visit my site. And there we go. That's all there is to it. Comment below with your favourite WordPress theme. So now you know exactly how to install a WordPress theme. But what about your plugins? I've written about my top 7 WordPress plugins. You'll find the link below. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribing to my channel and sharing it with your fellow bloggers. And comment helpful if this video helped you.